Hey kids, it's story time. In honor of Memorial Day this coming Monday, we're going to read Memorial Day by Emma Carlson Byrne. On Memorial Day, we remember the U.S. soldiers who fought and died in wars. This holiday is observed on the last Monday in May. After the U.S. Civil War, people went to the cemetery on a special day each year. They visited with other families and decorated the graves of family members who had died in the war. This day was called Decoration Day. Later, the name was changed to Memorial Day. On Memorial Day, people go to parades and ceremonies. Sometimes they have picnics. Many kids are done with school, so people think Memorial Day as the start of summer. The school year is done. It's the end of May. Ready to honor Memorial Day? We'll hoist up the flag and raise it high. Proudly we'll let the colors fly. For freedom, clap your hands. For soldiers in our land. They fought for us so we would be free. For freedom, clap your hands. The parade is coming. I hear the tramping. Footsteps drawing near. Boots are stamping. Veterans march all in a line. Their heads held high, their medals shine. For freedom, clap your hands. For soldiers in our land. They fought for us so we'd be free. For freedom, clap your hands. For freedom, clap your hands. For soldiers in our land. They fought for us so we'd be free. For freedom, clap your hands. Summertime starts on Memorial Day. We can't wait to go run and play. But first, on this day, we'll honor the brave. We won't forget the lives they gave. For freedom, clap your hands. For soldiers in our land. They fought for us so we'd be free. For freedom, clap your hands. Thanks for joining us for story time. See you next week and happy Memorial Day.
Continue to learn at home with other great videos from the North Carolina Transportation Museum on Facebook, YouTube, and nctrans.org. The North Carolina Transportation Museum in Spencer is the museum that moves you.